Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick video here. We are going to build countertops for my workshop, and I'm going to show you how to get a butcher block type look at a fraction of the cost.
I'm listening.
So first step, let's break down this MDF, and we're going to be cutting this down to 24 3/4 inch width, and this will be our first layer. So watch along. Thanks.
Let's begin.
That's not right. No.
Much better.
Okay, back on the countertop project. I have purchased about 68 square feet of number 2 common red oak flooring. This is tongue and groove. And this is going to give us a butcher block look, and with the 3/4 inch MDF underneath it, it's going to be real solid. I'm going to glue it down and nail it with 16 gauge nails. And I am having to, in order to get the tongue and groove here in my corner, add a groove to the end of some of my boards using a 1/4 inch router bit, but no big deal there. So let's start laying this down and get it looking good. Welcome back to the shop. A little bit has changed. Got some shiplap up, got some handles on all of our cabinets. But today we are back on our countertop, which we're going for a wood butcher block look at a much cheaper price. So we've got the top down. This is 3/4 inch oak flooring, and I've ripped some extra that we are going to use as a band. And then we are going to come back and fill the top, any voids, holes, cracks, sand, varnish, and stain. Stains and varnish. So yeah, let's go ahead and get working on this, and hopefully by today we'll see a little bit closer of what the finished product's going to be. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I got the trim board up, and next we're going to use this wood filler, and we're going to fill the whole top and smooth it down, give it some sanding, then some stain and some varnish. But here's what it looks like right now. Not bad. Doesn't have to be perfect, because the first time I go to work on this, it is going to get scratched and you know, dented, and you know, stuff's gonna get poured on it. But all in all, pretty happy with the result so far.
Time to go to work.
All right, it's been a couple hours and wood filler is all set. So we're gonna sand this down and then put some stain and varnish.
Wax on, wax off.
So here's the appearance after the stain. Really looking good. Put some varnish on. That'll make it pop even a little bit more. And then we'll call it done. All right, guys, here it is. Behind me is my workshop countertop that resembles butcher block, but at a fraction of the cost. This I am into about 52 square feet of countertop and less than $300 spent. So my other option was buying butcher block, and that would have been well over $1,000. So I think, maybe you agree, this was the way to go. So thanks for watching. By all means, this is not perfect. I could have done more sanding. It probably is not what you would want to do in a kitchen or somewhere that has water because of the MDF. But for a workshop like this, it's perfect. It's gonna get beat up, it's gonna get used, and at $300, I'm not too upset about it. So thanks for watching, and hope this might inspire some of you guys to do something like it. Thanks again.